Over the past few months, a number of sporting events have returned back to our lives. Even though we're not allowed to go and watch these sports live in the stadiums, at least they have made it back to our screens. Now, there is one particular sport who has failed to restart, especially at the international level after the pandemic. I'm talking about the sport of badminton. Now, badminton as a sport was paused in the month of March like any other sport after the conclusion of the All England Open. This was the time when the pandemic had just started its surge all over the world, and as a precautionary measure, all international tournaments were postponed. The Olympic qualification procedure was postponed, and the world rankings were frozen, which at that point in time made complete sense. But fast forward from that period of time to today, a number of other sports like Formula One, cricket, basketball, football have restarted at the international level with the entire concept of biobubbles and with other safety precautions. But the sport of badminton has failed to restart to this day. Now, about a month ago, the BWF had announced that they will be restarting the international calendar with the Denmark leg of the World Series, starting with the Thomas and Uber Cup, followed by the Denmark Open and the Denmark Masters. Now, all of this was great news, but for the Thomas and Uber Cup, before the Thomas and Uber Cup started, a number of the big international teams decided to pull out of that particular tournament. Now, that decision was made because they did not feel that the BWF had taken the proper safety measures and the proper rules and regulations were not installed in terms of keeping the players safe from the pandemic, which is why they decided to pull out of the tournament. Because of this, the BWF had to postpone the Thomas and Uber Cup to a later stage in this year or maybe even next year. Followed by that, the Denmark Masters was also postponed and only the Denmark Open remained. If all goes well in the next few days, the Denmark Open is set to begin on the 13th of October. Now, so far none of the bigger teams have pulled out of the tournament. There have been a few players who have pulled out of the tournament, but the teams in some way or form will be taking part in this tournament, and it is very important for the sport of badminton that this tournament does happen, because if it doesn't, they will be a sport that will be left behind while every other sport has restarted all around the world. In terms of Indian participants, if we talk about, PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal and Parupalli Kashyap have decided to pull out of the tournament. This decision is based on two main factors. First of all, one, obviously because it is still a world in which the pandemic is a big threat, the players do not want to risk their health and do not want to go to Denmark to play the tournament. The second biggest reason is the fact that earlier the BWF had announced that there will be 3 tournaments taking place in one country, which still made sense for a lot of players to take that risk to participate in all 3 tournaments. But now that 2 of those tournaments have been postponed, it does not make sense for them to just travel all the way to Denmark to just play in one tournament, which is why all these star players have pulled out of the Denmark Open. Now, in terms of the women's singles, there will be no athlete participating from India, but in the men's contingent, there are still 4 people who will be representing India in the Denmark Open. Lakshay Sen, Kidambi Shrikant, Shubhankar Dey and Ajay Jayaram are the 4 people who will be traveling to Denmark and will be representing India there. Okay. This is big news for the sport of badminton, because they really need the sport to start at the international level. They need to start the entire process of the Olympic qualification for next year's Tokyo Olympics, and this is a milestone for them if it all goes as it has been planned. And we all hope that it starts, the Denmark Open happens successfully, and badminton also starts coming back to our lives like every other sport has. All the best to the Indian contingent who are going to represent India in Denmark, and we hope you guys go well.